This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, a spray-on bed liner, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Yoakum Toyota is conveniently located at 1199 East Bert Coons in Shreveport. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.